Let's talk about modest swimwear. Sea Fancy sent me 3 of their swimsuits to try on for you guys. As a toddler mom, I'm not always confident in a swimsuit, so these are gonna be great. This is the first one. I absolutely love the stripes with the floral. And who doesn't want a swimsuit that comes with pockets? The shorts have an extra pair of shorts filled in underneath. The material is super stretchy. It seems like they run true to size too, so just stick with your regular size. These stripes are so much fun. These are also the same style with pockets and the shorts filled underneath. The material is still super stretchy. I really killed it with this set because I feel so comfortable and so supported in it. Okay, so this one might be my favorite. I absolutely love this floral pattern. Just like the others, it also has the pockets and the filled-in shorts underneath. We're gonna head to the beach now, but you can use my discount code for some money off of your purchase.